If you're a ham radio operator, you know how hard it is to find reliable information on linear amplifiers. Welcome to our walkthrough of the U.S. Ham Linear Amp Encyclopedia. This comprehensive guide covers 34 manufacturers and over 220 models. Will help you navigate the specs and features of these amplifiers, from popular brands like Ameritron and Heathkit to lesser-known manufacturers. We'll give you an overview of each company's product line and notable models. You'll learn about the differences in design, features, and performance. We'll dive into the confirmed specs of each model, correcting common misconceptions. You'll learn about power output, frequency range, and other key characteristics. This information will help you make informed decisions when choosing an amplifier. The U.S. Ham Linear Amp Encyclopedia is a comprehensive resource covering 70 years of ham radio history. With over 220 models from 34 manufacturers, you'll find the information you need. This guide is available for just $9.99, a valuable investment for any serious ham radio operator. By using the U.S. Ham Linear Amp Encyclopedia, you'll gain a deeper understanding of linear amplifiers. You'll be able to choose the right equipment for your needs and budget. Stay ahead of the game with the most accurate and comprehensive information available. Get your copy of the Ham Linear Amp Encyclopedia now for just $9.99 at the link in the description.